Hey guys, I'm currently at Aloft KL Central for the Samsung Galaxy M20 official exclusive online launch event with Shopee. So this is the phone, let's see what it's all about. So the Galaxy M20 has a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display and it comes with a V-shaped notch. Although it has a slightly thicker chin, it has rather thin bezels, and on the bottom you see that it actually has a headphone jack, so let's be proud of that. Other than that, this phone supports dual SIM and it comes with a speaker grill on its bottom and a USB Type-C port. And on its back, you'll get a fingerprint sensor, and if you don't like that, you can use this phone for face unlock. So this phone is powered by an Exynos 7904 octa-core processor, and it comes with either 3 or 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB or 64 GB of storage, which can be expandable up to 512 GB of storage. Now this phone has Samsung Experience 9.5 and it comes with Android 8.1 Oreo. One of the best things about this phone is that it comes with a super big battery because it has a 5000 mAh battery that supports fast charging, and in the box you'll get a 15-watt Type-C fast charger. So the Galaxy M20 has dual camera on its back with a 13-megapixel main camera and a 5-megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, while on its front you'll get an 8-megapixel selfie camera. Now, one fancy thing about the front camera is that if you set a timer, you'll actually see this timer light here where it slowly goes to the other side, indicating the countdown before the camera actually takes the picture. The Galaxy M20 will be available in the color Ocean Blue and Charcoal Black, and you can get this phone at the price of 799 ringgit. Its exclusive launch will be on Shopee at 20th March. So you can get this phone with exclusive offers like free gifts, especially for the early birds. So that's it for our video today. Remember to subscribe to our channel KLGadgetTV, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!